In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a quiz in Squarespace in just 5 minutes. Whether you're an educator, a marketer, or a business owner looking to engage your audience, embedding a quiz on your Squarespace site can be a powerful tool. Let's dive in and get you set up with a functional and interactive quiz on your website. First, you'll want to navigate to Squarespace. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If not, you'll need to create an account and set up your website. Once you're there, click on the Get Started button. This will lead you to your dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your Squarespace site. Now, it's time to choose the page where you'd like your quiz to appear. Head over to the website menu and click on Pages. From here, select the page where you want to embed your quiz. Once you've chosen the page, click on Edit to open the editing interface where you can make changes to the page's layout and content. Next comes the fun part, adding the quiz itself. To do this, you're going to need to add a new block to your page. Look for the Add Block button, which is usually represented by a plus icon. Clicking this button brings up a menu of different types of content, blocks you can add to your page. For our purpose, you'll want to select the Code Block option. This allows you to insert custom code into the page, which is essential for embedding your quiz. When you select the Code Block, a box will pop up where you can paste the code for your quiz. Speaking of quiz code, let's talk about obtaining it. Most quiz platforms provide an embed code or HTML snippet specifically for this purpose. If you haven't yet created your quiz, you'll need to use a service like Google Forms, Typeform, or another quiz-making tool to generate this code. Once you have it, copy the entire code snippet. With your quiz code copied, return to your Squarespace editing interface and paste the code into the code block. Squarespace will take care of integrating this code into your page, so you don't have to worry about formatting or styling issues. Lastly, it's important to save your changes. Look for the Save button in the top corner of your editing window. Clicking this ensures that the quiz is embedded and that your updates to the page are live. Once saved, navigate to the live page to verify that everything looks and functions as expected. And there you have it, a fully embedded quiz in your Squarespace website in just a few simple steps. Engage your audience and gather valuable insights with this interactive feature. Thanks for watching, and happy quizzing.